Hello everyone, welcome to IICS tutorial part 8. Today we are going to see on the filter transformations. When we see the filter transformation, it is like that active one, connected one. And we know that what is mean by active, that is if I apply any logic, if it is change the number of the rows passed through that downstream transformations or the target. So if the number of the rows it is changed into the next transformation or the target, that is called as active transformation, and always this filter connected one. Okay, and this filter transformation can be used in the two ways, that is whenever the source it's a flat file, the time we doesn't have the option in the source qualifier itself, the query option, that is filter and sorted, is not presented. That's the reason we have that filter transformation we are using for the flat files. And also at anywhere in the pipelines, if I want to use the filter conditions, okay, so that time we can use with the help of the filter transformations. Okay, and when we see that conditions, we have the in IICS defined with the three condition, that is simple. It is defined with this set of the operators, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal, like that. And advanced means it is like how the Informatica Power Center is having some set of the predefined function it's available, like that. The IICS also it's having some predefined functions it's there. So based on that functions we can take the predefined function and we can write the filter conditions and parameterized conditions. It is like if you want to give the condition at runtime, so we can use this parameterized condition, it's in task level. So we will see that in upcoming sessions this about parameterized condition. Today we will see discussed on simple and advanced. Okay, now let's start how it will working. Now we'll create the mapping for the filter transformations. So for that we can take that our source, it's like that flat file, so we can generate our flat file with help of that Oracle SQL developer. Okay, see here in that HR schema, you which table you want to make it flat file, that table you are taking. Okay, now I am taking my departments tables. Okay, once you are taking the departments table means just you make it the double click it, it is showing like that the columns and all it's showing here. Okay, take the datas. Okay, so click on the second options, datas here. See here the data it is available for the departments. Okay, now right click on the datas and export. Okay, then we have the two option that is presented, that is two steps it is there. Export wizard, first step it is you want to change the format. Here you are giving that flat file source, so take that in the format it is CSV. It is nothing but comma separated values. Okay, and also change here that file name, that is here we are changing that file name, that is departments data. So departments data you are changing, as well as you copy your this path also, because this will be easier for you to get the file where it is located in the SQL developer your installation pages. Okay, so just make it the next and finish it. Now you are exported the data, so you can able to find the data. Okay, paste the path here. Okay, and remove that file name. Okay, remove the file name. After the bin the file name it is presented, so I just removed that file name. See here we are getting that file name here. Okay, just copy this file name, that is departments data. You copy the file name and paste it where you are located your IICS source file, there you paste it. Okay, here I have located, that is flat file source, here I have located. I'm copied that file and I'm pasting here. See here the departments data it is presented. Okay, now we can create the target also. Okay, in the target I'm going to that SQL developer, there I'm creating the target in the core schemas. Okay, so for that I'm creating the target, create table. My table name it is tgt underscore departments, as select star from HR schema. From HR schema we are taking, so HR dot departments. Okay, HR dot departments I'm taking. Okay, now you can execute this query. So once we are executing means it will ask the core schema password, because we are now currently presented in the core only. So that's the reason it's asking. Just give enter your password for the core schemas. Okay. Now see here, TGT department it is created. Okay, now we have created the source flat file also we have created, as well as target, that is table also we have created. Okay, we have not created with that where conditions. See here, select star from TGT underscore departments. Okay, see here the data it is presented here. I make these one truncate target table option. Okay, truncate table and my table name. Table name it is TGT departments. Okay, see here, execute this statement. See here, the table it's truncated. Okay, department table it's truncated. Now if we are executing means here the data is not presented. Okay, now we can create our mapping. So go to your IICS data integrations, then create your mapping, new, and create the mapping. Once you are creating the mapping means it always populated with the two objects, source one and another one is target. Okay, just click on the source and maximize this windows, and in the source we are giving our connection, it's like that flat file connections. Okay, so take the flat file connections, then after that select your object. Okay, while you are selecting that object, our object file name it is like a departments data. See here in down only it is there, we can take that object. Okay, and with help of the preview the data we can find how many data it is presented, that is how many columns it is presented, and also that data type. See here the data type it is for the department ID it is number, and department name it is varchar, and manager ID it is number, and location also it is number. That is department name only it is having that string format. Remaining the 3 column it is presented with that integer format only. Okay, because whenever we are taking that our flat file sources, okay, the fields of that all the data types it should be always in the string format only. So in this go to the option edit metadatas, and here change the department ID into the number format. Okay, change the number format, and manager ID also it is presented the number format only. Okay, change the number format, and location ID also it is number format only. Okay, and give the precision of the each of the wherever you are changed. Now I'm giving the precision for the location ID it is 5, and the manager ID for that I'm giving the precision it's 5, and also department ID I'm giving 6. Okay, now we'll move on to our filter conditions. Okay, so with help of these so we can make the filter conditions here. Okay, now maximize the filter conditions, and here we have that incoming field. Incoming field it is nothing but what are the data you are get from that your upstream. Okay, so that is a incoming field, and in next it is like the filter conditions. Here we are applying now simple filter conditions we are applying. So take that field name. Okay, here my field name it is I'm taking the department ID. Department ID equal to, I'm giving that value it is 30, because I'm telling that I need that department ID 30 only present in the table or flat files like that. Okay, now move to the target. Once in the target we want to give the connections. Here we have the connection, it is like that Oracle TGT, that is Oracle target 1. Okay, and select your target table. We have created already in the target table, that is the name it is called as TGT departments. Okay, just copy your table name and paste it here. Okay, and search it. See here we got our table name here, and click on OK. We already truncate truncate our target table, so here no data is presented here while previewing the data. See here no record it is presented. Close this windows, and field mappings. Here the source and target both are having the same name only, it is presented in the column. So make the smart map here with help of the auto map. Once we are making the smart map, it is mapping properly, then save your mapping. Once saving the mapping means the mapping, it will be go into that valid state. If it is not having any error means it will go to the valid state. If it is having the error means we want to solve this error, then only we can work on. Okay, now run your mapping. So we are running our mapping, it automatically moved into the monitor state. We can check into that my job sessions. Okay, so refresh your mapping 1 or 2 times. First it is status, it is will be that running, then it will be queued, then only it will be show that result, it will be success or rejected or warning, like that. Okay, now see here, there is only one record only it is populated in the target, because there is only one department, that is department id 30 is one record only it is there. Okay, and we can check with the help of that oracle sql developer also. Okay, now before that, here there is no record it is presented after doing that transformation and mapping. Okay, now see here that only one record it is populated with the help of that condition what we have given in the condition in filter transformation. Based on that, the record it is populated. Okay, this is a simple condition. In the upcoming videos we'll see on that how that advanced level condition it is working on. Okay, thank you so much.